Hello friends, I am Shivangi Agarwal, the founder of Writerina.com and your content writing and marketing coach. Welcome to today's video on content writing basics. First, I want to ask you, have you ever written any content or a blog post before? Leave a comment below with yes or no. I'm curious to know this because either way, I have found content writers stuck at some point of time. They have questions in their mind. यार क्या लिखूं इस टॉपिक पे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. Hey, will I get good traffic on this blog post? Will readers love what I write? और बहुत कुछ. Well, if you have such questions in your mind, so what's the solution? Okay. Have you read the blog post I write on my site? If you haven't, just visit the blog section of writerina.com and go through my blog post. You'll notice that every blog I write has a fixed pattern. And there's a reason for it. Because I follow a 6-step formula to write every content on my blog. And this formula alone sends me thousands of visitors every month. So what's that 6-step content writing formula? Well, that's what I'll reveal in this video. So let's quickly get started. First step. Research your content on Google. Put the topic on which you are going to write in the Google search bar and scroll through the content through the websites that come up on the first page. Read the content of those websites and take down your notes. What points those websites have written on that topic. This step helps you know what your competitors have written on the topic and how you can write a content better than them. Then comes the next step. Create an outline of your content. Now what that means. Now this is a blog post which I had written explaining the content writing tips for beginners. But before I wrote this blog post, I created an outline where I listed out the main points I had to write in this blog post under introduction, the main body of the content, and the conclusion. What's the benefit? Well, creating an outline keeps you on track and covers all the important points without missing out on any. That brings us to the next step, step 3. Write your content according to the outline you had created. First comes the headline. Keep it short and catchy. Ever read a content who has a bad headline? No. Nobody wants to read a content whose headline isn't catchy. You always open up the content which has a catchy headline. So make yours same. After the headline, start writing your content. Remember, your readers scan through your content and won't read word by word. So keep your sentences and paragraphs short. Use subheadings, bullet points where applicable. Step 4. Optimize your post by using the keywords you had selected for that post. If you don't know how to search the right keywords for your content, visit the video link given in the comments below. For a good SEO score, you should use the keywords in your headline, in your introduction, the body of the content, the subheadings, and the conclusion. Well, the conclusion part is very important, where you summarize the main points of your content and give your readers a call to action. A call to action can be as simple as sharing your post on social media, subscribing to your newsletter, or maybe buying the product which is described in the blog post. That comes with next step, that is step 5. Add images to your content at relevant places. Imagine how your content will look if it has no images. Oh, it will be so boring to read. Do you want that comment from your readers? I'm sure you don't. So use the free images from Google or from free stock images sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash, and add them at relevant places in your content. Last but not the least, proofread and edit your content for any spelling mistakes, typing errors, and grammar. First, proofread it manually, and then you can use the editing tools like Grammarly. So that's my 6-step formula to write every content and engage my audience with it. Thank you for watching this video. Before you leave, subscribe to my channel so that you receive the latest updates on content writing and content marketing. Thank you.